Welcome back to Smartfm. We're still here. Hi guys.
Hai Kak.
Okay. My last question. What is my last questions? Okay. Finish. Finish.
Yet.
Finish. Okay. Continue your statement.
Oh,
You still remember what you say?
So, okay, talking about boundaries or to-do list,
Yes.
maybe, right?
Yes. Boundaries.
Which one is urgent?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is not really urgent?
Yeah.
Yeah. And important. Important. But I guess that, yeah, of course, because I have some activities that I think the most important is my study, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then my maybe organization.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then something when I have to practice, for example, because I have organization that I have to practice in the bed. Yeah. So I will to do list in the. I don't write it.
What about refreshing?
Huh?
What categories you put?
What is refreshing?
Refreshing.
Yeah, I mean healing until you're healing.
Yeah, refreshing, healing,
Yeah,
whatever.
But I think healing is maybe I think it's not really important. I know. I mean the healing.
Urgent, priority,
Yeah, it's
dadakan, or wasting time.
Yeah, hosting time.
Huh? Refreshing is wasting time?
Yeah.
Sure.
No, I mean.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I think because I have many to do. Yeah.
So you are overproductive.
Yeah, I think that's
You
good.
are. Okay,
We need
keep your
people like
statement.
Aini.
Keep your statement. This is a very interesting. Okay, next. Do you have a boundaries? How could you organize your time in a day or in a week or in a month, in a year, whatever?
To be honest with you, I'm not really an organized person. I just keep arranging my to-do list in my mind. So yeah, instead despite I have several organizations in my campus, I just set up like I know. For example, like I just want to meet my friends who are like close friends. Like I don't want to go out if it's wasting time. Like it's time consuming.
Like hang out.
Yeah, hanging out. So yeah, but yeah, I think that's it. But I struggle now. Like have a timeline. Like yeah, timeline in a day. Like for example, we have a golden time every day, like an hour in every day. So for example, I want to gain prosperity. So I will have like put an hour in a day to struggle with my goals to achieve the goals that I have been arranging previously.
What about the rest time? Do you have enough rest?
Like
For sure.
leisure time.
Yeah, for
In a
sure.
day?
Time.
Yeah, for sure. I have so much leisure time in a day. Yeah, yeah. As I said before, I'm not really an organized person. I just keep lying on a bed sometimes. Yeah.
We need that. Sure.
Yeah,
And also
sometimes.
I just keep watching movies.
Sometimes, not too much.
Exactly. And I just keep watching movies. Like recently I've been watching Harry Potter and Dark, that series movie called Dark.
So far it's safe, right?
Yeah, it's safe. I just put so much effort in an hour or maybe 3 hours in a day. Yeah, to achieve my goals. So I kind of feel like being productive is not always taking so much time working or studying. Being
Agreed.
productive is working efficiently.
Okay.
I think.
Okay. We will talk later. This is interesting. What about you?
Yeah. So actually for me it's based on my mood. Sure. Yeah.
So what a moody man.
I don't have a timeline.
Uh-huh.
I don't have boundary. It's based on my mood in the Sunday.
You don't have time management
Yeah,
or
sure.
something like that.
No.
So you just kind of follow the flow.
Uh-huh.
I like that.
So yeah.
Like a water?
Yeah. if Sunday perhaps I wanna learn the bed, yeah, I will do it. If I wanna gathering with my friend, I will do it. Yeah, it will back in my mood. Yeah, but right now I wanna change in my bad habit to create like timeline.
So you think that was your bad habit? Like follow the flow is a bad habit.
Actually, this is the bad habit, right? Okay.
So you just realize
I
it.
just wanna feel happiness.
Okay.
I wanna feel happy to enjoy myself.
Okay.
But we cannot we don't forget about my responsibility as
As a student?
To do anything.
Okay.
Based in my
That's great.
Based on my mood, I say.
Okay, I have a question. If you don't have boundaries, how could you recognize that this is a gen, this is a priority, this is dadak, and this is wasting time?
Sometimes I don't care about that.
Oh my God!
You don't put that label.
No, I don't
Like,
like that level.
So
This is
you
your
come
gen.
here. So you come here.
So what about this one? Is it important or?
Important for me. No, because I mood right now.
Oh, okay. So you feel happy. You feel happy to join this.
I can gather with
That makes sense.
Okay. Make it end. Skip your statement. Okay. What about you? Yeah. Do you have a boundaries in your daily activity, in a week, in a month, in a years?
Almost the same with the sister and bro.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, sorry, bro.
Uh-huh.
Okay. But different. Ada yang kayak berbeda juga.
Mm-hmm.
Berbeda.
So what the difference?
As I'm always back to my hometown.
Mm.
Maybe around 2 in a week.
And bring it back the ole ole for me. No kidding.
What?
Okay, continue.
I'm from Pangkep City, and you know Bakang.
I know.
That's favorite city.
I know bamboo, green bamboo.
Yes.
I know. Bolu bale. Yeah. Forget it.
Ikan bandeng.
Yeah. So I mean, do you know how to recognize that your activity? This is a urgent. This is a priority. This is a dadakan. How to say dadakan? This is a wasting of time.
Or maybe Sunday until Friday, maybe just like what is
Ini.
ini to be focused study and organize.
What about silaturahmi?
So maybe Saturday and Monday.
Really?
Okay.
With my friends.
Uh-huh.
Your close friends, your family.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, okay.
You're the second host. Yeah. What about you?
So what was the question?
Do you have a boundaries? I mean, you can recognize that this is
Okay.
a categorized. I mean,
Mhm.
urgent, priority,
Sudden
dadakan,
activity.
wasting of time.
Of course, I have as a. So anyway, smart listener, I'm
Mm-hmm.
final year student at university, so I have to be more focused on something,
Okay.
like be more focused, be more serious
I'm
with
waiting
life.
for your song, Kolo.
No, I'll invite you.
Yeah.
So yeah, so back to that question. I have, of course, I schedule my time, like I categorize, I put my activity into several boxes.
Mhm.
With like which one is important, which one is kind of important. Anyway, guys, in like talking about time management, if something is not important, you can ask somebody to represent you
Mhm.
to do that. If not important, but if that important, then you have to do by yourself,
Mhm.
right? So I kind of stick to that idea where when I think something is not important, so I will not participate, or I will not bring myself to that. Probably I will send somebody or ask help, something like
Do you
that.
have a sample to categorize every single thing?
I think it's based on our responsibility.
Mhm.
Like if you are the president of BPEC, then
Mhm.
you have to attend every single agenda of BPEC, right? That's
Mhm.
that's your number one priority.
Mhm.
But if you just like yeah, participants.
Mhm.
It's not obligation. It's not your obligation to attend any agenda,
Mm.
right?
But
So
for you right now,
this one,
Mhm.
I am a former advisor.
Yeah.
So I think this is kind of important though.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, yeah.
But-
no,
but-
it's not bad on my mood though.
that campus of business is the number one, right?
Yup. This is.
Priority.
I do realize that this is part of my life
Mhm.
now because I need to social. I need real social interaction.
Mhm.
You know, like when I go to BPEC, I meet a lot of people coming from multiple layer background.
Mhm.
You can meet professor, you can meet student, you can meet anything in this city.
Okay, I'm waiting for your song.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on